Hey everyone, and welcome to this brand new episode of the Crypto Intel. My name is Mark, and in this episode, we're checking out the Avalanche currently listed on Binance as the AVAX by popular demand. A lot of you guys are asking me to review it, so I will. And I did make a video not too long ago, guys, not too long ago. It was 5 days ago. What I said to you guys, alarm, it is gonna be pumping up soon. So back in these days, it was trading at 14.37 and it has already begun. So now it is trading at $15.3, which is a small rise, but as you can see, it has been rising consistently with the predictions. So let me just have a look. There you go. So approximately, I think the prediction was made around here somewhere, and it has begun its slow motion rise. So, if you're holding the AVAX, be sure to hit that subscribe button because I do not think that you want to miss out. And if you want to talk to me privately or if you have any urgent questions, check out my Patreon link below because I will be answering you there via direct messaging if you have specific questions about specific cryptos that you're holding that I'm not covering in my episodes here. So, guys, let's check it out. At this point, the 24-hour volume is $25 million, which is not a lot on Binance. So there's definitely price volatility going on, and it's riding around this little tunnel right here that we see. And if we zoom out just a little bit, it's finally being very bullish for the past 4 days already since the video was made. So if you were listening to me back in the days, you would already make yourself a nice little 5% gain. Of course, it's not the boom that I was talking about yet, but it will soon become a reality, guys, because there is this, you see, cycle right here, and look at the median price range. It's somewhere around here, right? So it's definitely at a deficit right now. So because it's in this deficit, it will probably pump back up and try to meet the previous price range that it was building for itself. And look at this, it's really interesting because the funnel was kind of larger and larger. And I don't know where it's gonna bump up, but it's definitely going to be an interesting pump. It's gonna be crazy, guys. The traders, they know, they see these signals and they see that it's currently on a discount. And when you got a huge slump like this, normally you get yourself a nice little pump at least until a previous support level or a resistance level. So this is definitely something that might happen. It might go all the way up to the 30 buck. Sorry about that. So $22 mark to the maybe $19 mark, which is, back from, if we take the time of that previous video from 14 down to 19, so it's approximately 25% as a bump, which is not bad, right? Which is not bad. Still, it looks like it's trying to reach its previous support level to jump back. You can see right here, it's trying to kind of get it before it actually does the bounce. And when it does the bounce, guys, you better watch out. You better trade really, really, really quickly and come back to this video and do not tell me that I didn't warn you. All right. And by the way, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so please be sure to ask your grandmother for any advice regarding crypto and finance. She knows because she did this for all of her life, right? And she knows what's best. So, that being said, and moved aside, guys, this is pretty much what I'm thinking. And also, if you're enjoying this content, be sure to support me on Patreon and hit that subscribe button, guys. And if you hit that subscribe button, do not hit that subscribe button if you're not going to say who you are in the comments. I definitely want to know who you are, who is watching. I don't want to see a number. I want to see a face. I want to see an avatar. I want to know that you guys are human beings and you're not like, click bots or something like that, clicking on my subscribe button. All right, guys. So this is definitely what I'm still thinking about the AVAX because it is the previous opinion that I had in my previous video. It's definitely going upwards. It's just a matter of a bunch of days. Yes, it might go down just a bit until it reaches this boiling point where a lot of people just let it go at a cheap price, and then a lot of tigers are gonna prance on it, and they're gonna rip it apart like a zebra being torn to pieces, and it will pump and pump and pump. So that will probably happen sooner than later. And we're looking, in the coming week or in the coming 2 weeks, there's going to be the pump. So just be patient, guys. This is not a 1 hour thing, okay? This is not a 2 day thing. It's not a 3 day thing. Just be patient. It will pump. These are the market cycles. And when it does pump, when you see that green at 20%, just let it go. At 10%, let it go. Check out your risk tolerance levels. If you are okay with 20%, just let it go, because if it pumps to 120%, like, you got 90% risks of you sleeping while it does pump. You got, 70% of you not wanting to let it go, and you'll just let it go until it keeps on dropping yet again. So definitely I would recommend you to take the money from the table once you hit the 10-20% and put it in another crypto asset. All right, guys, so this was my price analysis for today for the AVAX, and I will be definitely doing them in the very near future. So, all right, guys, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. See you in the next episode. Cheers.